He's mating here, double-crested cormorants. And they live year-round in the Florida Keys and will inhabit fresh or saltwater areas. Cormorants are experts at diving below the water's surface for food, which consists of fish they catch with their hooked beaks. Did you know cormorants have less marine oil than other aquatic birds? This results in their feathers soaking throughout instead of being waterproof. This is why they are often seen standing in the sun with their wings spread out to dry.